Slovenian economy is showing quite a lot of potential. Its most innovative and successful enterprises are active in such areas as sustainable mobility, smart homes, well-being, IT solutions, smart electronics, special materials, etc.
It's a very interesting event. We see really the force and the dynamism of a Slovene business community, and it's very inspiring for us, and we can find a lot of opportunities for more cooperation. I guess French companies are already very interested in developing their activities in Slovenia, and we hope that even more contacts and cooperation can find place between France and Slovenia. It's very promising, and we hope that the good economic growth in Slovenia will also encourage more cooperation.
Kaj so prioritete cen pa v letu 2017?
Nadaljevanje dobrega dela iz 2016. Po principu manj je več. Želimo, da naši člani vsako našo aktivnost občutijo kot dodano vrednost. Vedno dobimo, ali po veliki večini primerov dobimo pozitivne odzive na to. Tam, kjer jih dobimo, jih še povečamo aktivnosti in tako bo tudi v letošnjem letu.